Hey, this is a speed van, and today we're testing out the van. So this van is actually based off of the Chevrolet Express, and let's see. Only thing I don't like about it is that back exhaust pipes are sticking out. It's the only thing I don't really like. So we're gonna test out its speed right here. Alright, we're almost there, and then we'll reach nitro. Okay, we'll pass by this. And yes, we went just barely over 200 miles per hour. And I think its top speed is 200, almost nearly 220. I'm not so sure. And yeah, I guess that's really it for this.